The Fujian, a symbol of industrial might, takes shape within this cavernous hall.
This is the Fujian, the largest vessel of its kind. Its construction demands a round-the-clock effort, a testament to industrial might.
In the heart of the forge, strength is born through fire and impact.
Every raw steel plate undergoes rigorous inspection for absolute structural integrity.
Thousands of tons of specialized steel plates, the very foundation of naval power.
The rhythmic beat of industry echoes through the high bay. Ensuring safe production, the massive crane lifts its heavy burden.
Every raw steel plate undergoes rigorous inspection for absolute structural integrity.
In the heart of the supply chain, these immense structures stand as a testament to industrial organization and logistical power.
Diverse steel grades and crucial welding materials converge, ready for the initial cuts.
Harnessing the very forces that power the sun, the CNC plasma cutter transforms mere metal into the gears of progress.
Precision computer-controlled cutting transforms raw steel into foundational structural components. Here in the vast cutting facility, precision meets scale. The synchronized movement of the laser gantry transforms raw.
The age of tireless work has arrived. These orange sentinels move with a precision unmatched by human hand.
Every edge is meticulously prepared, ensuring pristine surfaces for subsequent welding processes.
With calculated force, the massive press brake bends the very fabric of industry, shaping giants for the world ahead. Advanced machinery forms massive steel plates into the precise contours required for the carrier's hull.
Automated welding ensures unparalleled strength and integrity across thousands of feet of seams.
The foundation of a mega project begins with the meticulous work of skilled hands. Every weld is a testament to precision.
The carrier is constructed from massive, pre-outfitted modular blocks, each a ship section itself. The heat treatment process requires immense energy, forging the steel at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Heat treatment alleviates internal stresses from welding, enhancing the steel's long-term durability.
Meticulous anti-corrosion applications are critical for protecting the carrier in harsh marine environments.
Emerging from the furnace, the newly forged steel begins its transformation, a testament to industrial strength. Multi-layer marine coatings provide robust protection against seawater corrosion and fouling.
Lower it slowly. Keep alignment on the left.
Copy. Lowering slowly.
Hold. Perfect alignment.
Laser-guided precision ensures massive modules align perfectly, forming a cohesive hull.
Physical force meets precision as the alignment worker tensions the heavy turnbuckle, closing the gap between the massive steel sections. Thousands of precision welds integrate modular sections, creating the carrier's immense hull structure.
Miles of sophisticated wiring and intricate piping systems form the carrier's vital arteries.
The white robotic arm moves with flawless precision, transforming raw fiberglass into essential components for modern infrastructure.
Comprehensive insulation ensures crew comfort and protects critical systems from extreme temperatures. Multi-layer marine coatings provide robust protection against seawater corrosion and fouling.
The logistical challenge of moving these massive turbines requires precision, power, and coordination on a global scale. Integration of the formidable propulsion system is a task of immense precision and engineering. Assembling the control systems for the CSSC project requires unwavering precision, ensuring every labeled connection is secure.
Systems online. Hydraulic pressure stable at 22 megapascals. Electrical continuity confirmed. The future of automation is now.
Installation of the revolutionary electromagnetic catapults transforms the flight deck into an unmatched launch platform.
The propulsion component undergoes microscopic analysis, ensuring every micron meets the required tolerance.
Cutting-edge dual-band radar and communication systems are integrated, providing unparalleled situational awareness.
With the integration of advanced tactical data systems, the command center ensures unparalleled situational awareness across the fleet.
The flight deck is meticulously marked, guiding critical operations for carrier-based aircraft.
The scanning head meticulously analyzes the surface topography. This precision is critical for advanced quality assurance.
With focused determination, the team carries out the finishing touches. This synchronized effort is vital to the success of the entire assembly.
The island, the carrier's command center, is precisely positioned, a beacon of command and control.
With the island now installed, the Fujian nears completion, redefining the future of carrier-based aviation. Every inch of the carrier's colossal structure undergoes rigorous, multi-level quality assurance.
Advanced diagnostics verify the flawless operation of complex propulsion and power generation systems.
The security of our maritime borders relies on constant vigilance. The People's Liberation Army Navy stands.
State-of-the-art sensors and combat systems are meticulously integrated for unmatched tactical advantage.
This colossal hull block represents the pinnacle of modern engineering. The Fujian, a marvel of modern engineering, ready to defend national interests.
The symbolic moment of float out, as thousands of tons of steel meet the water it was built to command.
Guided by precision, the mighty vessel transitions from land-bound construction to its natural element.
With measured steps and unwavering resolve, the sailors of the People's Liberation Army Navy bring the great ship.
Final outfitting and rigorous testing ensure the carrier is fully mission-ready.
The successful integration of the AZ radar system is critical for the Taipei.
The heart of the vessel, a 70-ton turbine, begins its slow descent into the hull.
Move that line to Station 3!
Aye, moving to Station 3. Clear the deck! Forward!
The culmination of immense effort. A new titan of the seas, forged from steel and ingenuity.
At CSSC, we rely on the highest level of craftsmanship. This pipe will form the backbone of a new generation of industrial machinery.
From initial concept to its final form, every process is engineered for unparalleled quality. Here, deep within the CSSC Research Institute, the very brain of the ship is meticulously constructed. Precision is paramount. The future of logistics is here. Automated guided vehicles seamlessly transport goods across this vast smart warehouse.
Real-time data and vigilant oversight ensure absolute precision at every construction phase.
These are the propulsion shafts, the very backbone of the vessel. Each one a master.
In the heart of this vessel, precision is paramount. The laser theodolite ensures every beam is perfectly aligned.
Every compartment, meticulously crafted, contributes to the carrier's immense operational capability. Even in stillness, the formidable scale of the aircraft carrier factory commands respect. This factory represents the enduring spirit and industrial might of the nation, reaching ever higher towards the future.
Continuous maintenance ensures our colossal machinery operates with unwavering reliability.
Cleared of ships, the sheer scale of the Jiangnan Bay highlights the monumental capacity of this operation.
The backbone of industry, these machines wait patiently, poised for the moment they are called to serve.
A symphony of steel and concrete, this vast network of conduits powers the very heart of the facility.
Behind the steel and sparks, intricate planning and meticulous design guide every step.
The subtle texture ensures durability and helps minimize radar reflection. This blue-gray compound is essential for the fleet. Every batch must undergo rigorous quality control to ensure peak performance.
Even in stillness, the formidable scale of the aircraft carrier factory commands respect. The mark of quality, certified weld, ID number 8839, ensuring structural integrity.
Instantaneous cooling prevents annealing. The resulting burst of steam signifies the immense energy transfer at the point of contact.
Digital record keeping ensures accountability and maintains a precise history of every component. A testament to human ingenuity, transforming raw materials into a global symbol of strength.
Mission begins. The Fujian departs the dry dock, symbolizing a grand finale and the future of maritime defense.